I'm on the Royal Caribbean Rhapsody of the Seas, and we're in room 2566. It's my room. Do you want to see what it looks like? Come on in. I'll show you. Okay, let's go. We're getting ready to pack up. So my room's kind of a little bit messier than usual, than what I usually like. When you first walk in the door over here on the right, or I'm sorry, on the left, we have a closet here. It opens all the way to flat. I brought this because it's an okay closet, okay? I'm gonna say it's okay. What I don't like is if you got stuff back there, you can't see it. And those kinds of things bother me. I like to be able to see everything I have. Over here, you can see I do have some stuff that's kind of tucked away I can't see. And then this is just like my drawer stuff, things I would have in my drawers. There is another clothing bar down here, closet rod, but there's no hangers. And see, they have this kind of hanger, so there's no hangers there. So that's kind of part of our closet just taken up with our life jackets. There is room down here for shoes and stuff. And then I bring that little it's a foldable thing I got at the dollar store. I use it for the laundry. One thing I do like about this though is there's a space up here that you can put a couple of extra things. Some other ships we've been on, they put our life jackets up there, and then we don't have that extra shelving up there. So that's kind of cool. I do like that there. And then over here, they have two of these hooks that are attached to the wall. The rest of the hooks I brought with me. One of the things about the hooks here is, in case you didn't know this, they're stronger when they hang from the ceiling than they are when they hang from the side of the wall. So I just have stuff, oops, and sometimes things just fall down. But I just have some things hung here. It works out well because the doors here, you open it and they're kind of out of the way. But anyway, so this is Royal Caribbean. I have not sailed Royal Caribbean since I think maybe like 2012 or something, and I don't remember it. So it feels like my first experience. Let's put it that way. They have a really small couch here. They do not, I don't know what they do on other ships, but on this one, the Rhapsody, they did not give us towels for the pool, for the beach. We had to go to the 9th floor where the swimming pool is and get them. You notice I have this. It is, I think they called it, special needs group, a medical grade cooler. Good thing I asked for it, because you know what? There is something missing in this room. Do you see it down here? Do you see what's missing? These rooms don't have a refrigerator. They got plenty of storage. I'll give you that. They got plenty of storage. This is where like I just throw stuff. I think I have ducks in there. This one, I don't even think I have anything in it. I could probably take the stuff from my closet and put it over here, but I'm not doing that kind of walking back and forth thing. I just want all my stuff in one spot. They have a safe, which is cool, right here. These are our chairs. I have a video about the chairs. I don't think it's posted yet. This would subscribe, and you'll get a notice when I post a video about those chairs. Everybody loves them. This is cool because there's added storage here. They have this nice little mirror and vanity lights. More storage. A phone. Oh, this is the thing about Rhapsody, okay? Because you cannot bring on Royal anymore added cords. They have 2 US ports, and then they have 2 of these. I brought these adapters. Like I said, we're gonna get ready to pack up, so I'm starting to pull stuff out. My husband has a CPAP. You can ask them for an extension cord, and I brought it all the way around the bed. I used my magnetic hooks, brought it all the way around the bed and put it over there on that side. So that's kind of cool. I do love this. I love that there's extra like drawers and stuff here next to the bed. There's a light here for reading. So at night you can just turn that off. I like that. I like the bed set up this way. Other ships we've been on, the headboard is over here and the bed comes out. I like this little setup. There's my calendar. Like I said, we already started packing up. I've already erased this. I have another video where I talk about the calendar and I put every day, where are we going? Because I can't remember. We can't remember. It's a really tiny TV. We don't use it that much. It comes out so you can see it from your bed at night, but we don't watch TV very much when we're on a cruise. I don't think there's anything else here to show you. Love the floor length mirror. And then there's the bathroom. This is my little bathroom organizer. I have another video about that because I wouldn't live without it. The bathroom's kind of cute compared to cruise ship bathrooms, with the exception of the shower curtain. I cannot stand shower curtains. Other ships I've been on, they give you, well, this one it says hair and body. Some of them, they have 2 of them. They got the wand there. Typical cruise ship bathroom. Has the clothesline that comes across. I don't use them. But what I do use, you'll see I got some hooks up there. Like I hang my bathing suit or whatever. This though, I like this. Look at all the storage that they have in here. They have a little drawer, a little cabinet, and then a lot of under storage here. I have my nightlight. Love it. Oh, I have nice magnetic walls. Oh, you see it came on? It's activated when it's dark. This is one thing I don't like about this bathroom. I'll tell you this. Look at this. I don't know what they call these sinks, tub basin sinks or whatever, that sit above. Look it. I barely get my hands under there when I wash my hands. And I have another video about how much I hate cruise ship soap. And this one, if this stuff leaves a film with that little bit of space here for the water, it would be miserable, I am sure. Honestly, I think that's all for me to show you in our room. But we've been comfortable here. I like this room, and this is it. 2566 on Rhapsody of the Seas. Check my other videos. I have other room tours, and if you found this useful at all, love for a subscribe. I'll catch you next time.